Today I'm doing things a little bit differently. If you're new to my channel, I spend a lot of time on cruise ships showing you my cabins, the ports, the ships, the food. You get the picture. In this video though, I've got a few days in New York before boarding my next cruise ship, and I've come to stay with friends slightly north in Connecticut. My friend has booked us into a resort that is, quite frankly, like nothing I've ever seen before, and we are staying in a room that comes with a truly eye-watering price tag. This is the most expensive hotel room that I've ever stayed in. In this video today, I'm taking you inside the Mohegan Sun Resort in Connecticut. This place isn't just a hotel, it's absolutely huge. If you find yourself wondering what you could do here, you could check out the 130,000 square foot shopping mall. You could dine in one of the 45 restaurants, bars and lounges. Maybe you would rather relax in one of the 2 world-class spas. Perhaps you would like to watch the water cascading down the really impressive 55-foot indoor waterfall. Or maybe you'd like to check out the 3-story Crystal Mountain that stands just down from reception. Whatever you want to do in here, you're going to be absolutely fine. You get it, there's plenty going on in here, and that's before you even think about gaming. If you enjoy spending time in the casino, you're going to be in your element here, as there's over 300,000 square feet of gaming space, featuring more than 300 table games and almost 4,000 slot machines. The hotel complex itself features 2 luxury hotel towers with a total of 1,563 rooms, and today I'm taking you into the very best this place has got to offer. Welcome to a Sky Tower luxury sky suite here at Mohegan Sun, and to stay here could cost you over $2,000 per night. If you enjoy this video, please do support my channel by clicking both the thumbs up and also the subscribe buttons. Anyway, let's head inside Mohegan Sun and let me show you around. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today in this video I am bringing you something a little bit different to what I would usually present to you here on YouTube. Now usually I show you my cruise ship cabins that are a little bit on the small side, but today I am showing you something very, very different. Now, as you know, I'm spending all of this year living back to back on cruise ships as a passenger, but today I'm spending it on land, and that is why we're right here at the Mohegan Sun Casino Resort up in Connecticut, USA. Now, I'm coming to you right now from our Sky Suite up on floor 22 of the hotel, and in this video I want to give you a full detailed room tour of this suite because I am pretty in love with this room. I've never stayed in a hotel room anything like this, and I want to show you what it looks like. So look, without further ado, join me out in the corridor and let's get started on a tour of room 2244 at the Mohegan Sun Resort. The room that I'm showing you around today is number 2244, which means that you're in room 44 up on level 22 of the hotel. When you first walk in, you've got a small entrance room that you just walk through, and now you're suddenly in the main suite. This room is absolutely enormous. On the left hand side, you've got a dining area which you can use for in-room dining. You then pan round to the right and you have a separate living area. Now you'll also notice there's a bed in that far corner. That's because there were 3 of us staying in this suite, which meant that 1 person could sleep on the bed there, and 2 people could sleep through in the main bedroom, which we'll go to shortly. The seating area here was absolutely enormous, and it's got one of the largest TVs that I've ever seen in a hotel room. The format of this, you've got a 3-seater with a lamp on either side, a 2-seater, and if you spin round behind me, you've got an armchair. Now looking at facilities over by the television, on the left hand side you've got your phone, you've got your minibar, and you've got some storage, followed by a really nice fireplace in the middle, and over on the right hand side you've got a coffee machine, an ice bucket, and the usual amenities that you would expect from this calibre of hotel. Spinning round and leaving this part of the suite behind, let me take you through the entrance vestibule, yes, there's me in the mirror, into the first bathroom of this suite, which I guess would be your guest bathroom. In here, there are no washing facilities, but you've just got a sink and a toilet. Coming back round into the main room, let's talk about air conditioning. This room was perfect from a climate control point of view. It was really easy to control that using these switches over on the wall. Each different part of the room could then be controlled differently, so you could have one temperature for the living area out here and another temperature for the main bedroom, which is where we're going into now. Wait until you see this space. First up on the right hand side is a full walk-in wardrobe with my suitcase not yet unpacked, but I was able to fill the majority of this. You've then got a safe down on the left, and that's obviously included when you stay in this type of room. Moving into the bedroom, you've got a chaise lounge straight in front of you. You've then got the main bed on the left hand side with a poof directly in front, and over the other side you've got an armchair and a table, so ideal for lounging with your morning coffee while you think about how you're going to spend your day. Over on either side of the bed, you'll find bedside tables that are finished really, really nicely with what looked like a granite. It was certainly a very heavy table, so really nice touch of luxury there. And directly opposite the bed, you've got a workstation on the left-hand side, and then your television with drawer storage directly next door. Hopefully you agree with me that this bedroom is absolutely stunning. I haven't stayed in a hotel room like this ever before, and I'm very used to nowadays staying in relatively small cruise ship cabins, so this blew my mind. As we head into the bathroom, remember to click that thumbs up button down below the video, and also click subscribe and let me show you so many more of my accommodations, both on cruise ships and in hotels going forward. Welcome to the main bathroom of the suite. On the right hand side you have two sinks with a massive mirror, and then if we spin round you've got one of the main features of this bathroom, which is a bathtub overlooking 22 floors high above Connecticut. It is awesome. In here you have a huge shower which you can control using the knob on the right hand side. You've also got a seat on the left, and then if I show you in here, you'll find the toilet in a separate room with a little piece of artwork hanging up on the wall. Coming back over to the other side of the sinks, you'll find a number of different controls on the wall. I initially thought they were just light switches until I wondered how someone would get privacy in that bath. All you have to do is push the button and the blinds go all the way down, and that leaves you in total privacy to enjoy that bath. If, however, you'd like to see what's going on around while you bathe, well, you can just leave those blinds up. They glide absolutely effortlessly, and what I love about these is that they actually disappear back into the top of the roof. They've been very, very well designed, so now you can't see the blind anymore. Awesome. Let me give you one final look at this hotel room's bathroom, main bedroom area, and finally the entertaining and living space. What I'd love to know from you in the comments is, would you stay here and do you think it's worth the money? When searching for prices for this room, I was able to find it for as low as around 1,000 US dollars, but more often than not, this room was retailing for a Saturday night stay for 2,000 US dollars per night. Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have enjoyed it, click that thumbs up button and click subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video today, did you know that you can become a member of my YouTube channel for an exclusive behind the scenes look at some of the ships that I'm travelling on? If you're over on Patreon, then I would love to see you over there. All you have to do to join me on that community is just search www.patreon.com/FRASER at Sea. Both my YouTube memberships and my Patreon site lead directly to me getting on more cruise ships, and both offer a completely behind the scenes look at what's going on.